Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Welcome to our learning platform Learn Forward from Pitara. Today we will do another next chapter of our series and the series name is Songs and Tales. The title of our poem is Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. The title of our poem is Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. Wow! See, there are a teddy. There is teddy. Do you like to play with teddy, students? Yes. This is a girl. What she is doing? She seeing the stars. Wow, there are many stars. Stars are twinkling. Let's start, students. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, the stars are twinkling. How I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. How I wonder what you are. Repeat after me, students. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Like a diamond in the sky. The stars are like diamonds. They are twinkling. Okay, students, after this, we have such an interesting activity. Wow! What we have to do? We have to color the picture. Let's color it together. Okay? We have to color let's color the home. The grass, tree. You have to fill it proper in your homework. Okay? Till then, bye-bye. Take care. Happy learning.